Hello, beardsmen. My name is DanCBearded. My subscribers call me the trusted teacher. And today, guys, it's going to be a slightly different video. I want to bring some new beardsmen into this community and into this amazing lifestyle. And so I want to do that with shorter videos and trying to target people that are just now searching. And I think one of the biggest areas that new beardsmen are looking is on Amazon. I know that's where a lot of you started. I know that's where I had a big part of my start, and I really would search Amazon. So I want to start purchasing different things from Amazon that look like good deals and analyze them and let the new beardsmen know if it's a good deal, if it's not, if it's a good product, or if it's not, so they can get a good start. So it is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos, but hey, maybe you prefer that short one. What I did first for this series is called Coober Beard Kit. Now, this was recommended to me as an Amazon choice. I don't really know how Amazon chooses, but it was on Amazon as a choice for me. And this beard kit, I believe, was around. So first off, it comes up with a really nice little box here. Has that kind of magnet close, opens up and is really cool. The first thing you're gonna see is a nice little felt or velvet bag for travel. Sam loves these things, my beautiful wife. And then after that, you have a couple tools. First thing is you have the standard double-sided wood comb. You have the wide teeth on one side and the really narrow teeth on the other side. This isn't great for my beard, but a lot of shorter beards love this. Absolutely love this. And again, I'm looking for those no beardsmen out there. And then you also have this shaping tool. Helps you line up your neckline and also your cheeks. I don't personally use this, but I know a lot of buddies that swear by it and really, really love this. And it also has little teeth there if you want to be able to comb. So really nice, kind of standard for that. Now we really get into the kit. First thing is a boar's hair bristle brush. This one is nice and flat, medium firmness on the boar's hairs there. Just your standard boar's hair brush. First thing is it's almost a 2-ounce beard oil. It's 1.7 or 50 milliliters, which is standard outside of the United States. That's only weird to us Americans. But what I really like about this is that it is made with organic ingredients and is all natural. A lot of times in these beard kits, you'll find a few synthetics and fragrances, and I don't see a ton wrong with that. But this one lists every single ingredient that's on here, and they are all natural, including vitamin E, tocopherol, the appropriate one, the one that is naturally occurring. And they have some great carrier oils from sunflower to argan oil to jojoba oil and vitamin E. That's amazing. The scent on this is classic, and it is absolutely 100% unscented. There's really no smell there. And another thing that surprised me is it is a thicker oil. Out of any of my unscented oils, this is the thickest. So if you have that short beard and you're looking to get a little bit of style, this is definitely going to be one that's going to be good for you. And then their beard balm, same type of thing here. It is a nice solid 2-ounce beard balm. And once again, it is all natural ingredients. We have coconut oil. My beard loves coconut oil. Beeswax, jojoba, sweet almond. My beard loves sweet almond. Vitamin E, and then essential oil. The essential oil in here is a very, very light scented cedar wood. So it's nice, clean, and it is a light consistency for the balm. It's one that's really going to help you condition and give a little bit of style. And then for me, the star of this show, I've acquired a couple really good pairs of scissors lately, and this is right up there with them. A really nice pair of scissors. Everything that they have is custom engraved, including the scissors. Really good cutting style on here. You can adjust the level that you want to have for your tension, and they just feel really good in hand. I found some of my best scissors to be from beard kits on Amazon. So overall, if you're a new beardsman and you want a one-stop shop, this is a good kit to check out. A lot of people, I will recommend a website or a company, a small batch company, and they're like, no, I want to purchase one thing and get everything I needed to start, and then I can dive into those other companies. So this kit may not be for the most experienced veteran in the beard game out there, but if you're just getting started and you need a comb, you need a brush, you need scissors, oil, balm, and you got to be able to kind of carry it around on your vacations and on your trips, this is absolutely a one-stop shop from Amazon with a pretty good price for all natural and organic ingredients. So again, not my normal kind of video. Don't even have my normal intro. I wanted to keep it short because I think if somebody's just searching for, is this beard kit good? They don't want to hear this random guy with a big beard talk for 20 minutes. I'll put the links down below for Amazon. No affiliate. I get no payment from this. I am not receiving any commission. I'm just trying a new series to bring in some new beards into this community. So thank you guys. DanCBearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.